لا في الأول. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم. Today I am going to start with your first task by using AutoCAD 2019. As you can see here, we have this figure on the left side, and I will start from the starting point here, x 330 by 210, and circle diameter equal 40. I will go for circle, center, diameter. I will write here 330x tab 210, and diameter equal 40. Now we have this circle, as you can see. Here I will go for annotate. I will select center mark. I will click here. I have the center mark for this circle. Also we have big circle here, radius 30. I will go here for this one. I will select circle, center radius. Radius here equal 30. I will write here 30. After that we have distance here 55, angle 0. Here I have two circles here, as you can see here on the right side. One circle 20 diameter, second one 30. I will go for circle. I will select diameter. I will draw this one. This equal here, this 20, and second one diameter equal 30. Now I will draw two tangent here. I will click shift right click. I will select tangent. Here we have tangent in this circle. This tangent has to go for the second circle here. Again, tangent. Here we have tangent here. Escape. I will do the same also here. Tangent. Here we have tangent for this side also, and I will click escape. After that I have mirror command here. I will select mirror command and have to select object. I'm going to use mirror command with it. Now I'm going to do mirroring for this object. I will select enter. Mirror, we can say around this one. Now we have two sides by this way. Now I will go for trim here, trim this one, this one, okay, and I will erase this line. No need for this line now, and I will go for annotate here again. Center mark this one. Here center mark, here center mark, and escape. Now I would like to draw the upper part. As you can see here in the upper part, we have distance 50 to find the center point for the two circles here. So I will go for home here, and I will select line from this point. I will go up here 50 and the angle 90, and I will go right side 20 with angle 0, escape, and another line. I will go here for left side 20. Now I will draw two circles here. This one diameter 10, this one, and second one 20. I will go here for circle again, center diameter, this one 10. Okay, again, this side also 10. Still we have 20, 20. This one 20, and this one 20. Okay. Here we have, as you can see here, the circle radius equal, or we can see arc. This arc equal 30. Okay. This arc equal 30. Okay. I will draw a line by this way. Escape, and line this way here. Escape. Now I will select arc. Start. I will select arc. Start and radius. This arc. We have a start from here, end from here, and radius equal 30. To draw arc, I will select circle, tangent, tangent radius, this one, here, tangent this one, tangent this one, and radius equal 15. I will write here 15. Now we have this circle by this way. Now I will go for a trim here again. Enter. Delete this one. Delete this one also. Okay. And no need for this line. Erase. And erase this line also. Here. And this line also. Sorry. I will erase this one. Erase this line and this line. And this line, erase. From here. And I will go for annotate. Center mark. Here we have center, and we have center here. Okay. Now here we have tangent. This line tangent here. I will go for home. Okay. I will select tangent from here. Here we have tangent for this circle, and this line come down here to cut this one vertical here, and I will go here for a trim again, and I will delete this one. Now still we have tangent in the left side here. I will go for this one, shift tangent. Here we have tangent here, and here we have tangent here also. Escape. Still we have this one. After that, I will go for a trim here. Delete this one. And here, delete. Here, escape. Now, what I will do, I will use mirror command. Again, here, this one. I will select object. This one. I have to select this one. Also this one. Select this one. Okay, and okay, enter. I will mirroring around this one. Also, I forget to make mirroring for this line. I will do for this one also. I have to select this one also, this one. Enter. Okay. Now I did the required drawing, as you can see here. I will write here 5, for example. I will say okay. Okay. Now, as you can see here, the 30. Now I would like to again dimensions again here. This one we have here diameter, for example, for this one. Y equals 30, and diameter again for this one equal 20, and again I will go for diameter for this one, for example, for this one. Equal 40. Okay, and if we can say I will go here for dimension also. I will select linear distance between this line and this line equals 50, and again this line and this line is equal 50, and so on. After that, I will go for home again. Okay, I will go here for home for this one. Now I will go for layer, this one. I will start from here, new. Name of this one, dimension. And dimension, SION. And color for this one is color, red color. Dimension is red color. Okay. I will create another new layer. The center point, See? And color for the center point is blue. And I will make layer for object, this one it will be I will do this one white color. They will close this one. Here I will select. Here we have dimension, but I will select all dimension here by this way. First select, I will click all dimensions, as you can see here. And by the way, you can add more dimensions. Here this, for example, and I will select dimension layer, this one. And I will select center point here. We have center, this one, center 1, 2, the center point here. Click this one also. And I will select layer, center point layer. Now, as you can see in our drawing here, the main object, white color, dimension, red layer, and center blue. I hope this video will be nice for you, and see you inshallah in the next one. Assalamu alaikum.